Alright guys, going to be testing out the Coleman Propane Coffee Maker. I got to start by screwing the valve in back here. This goes on here. Now it's kind of an awkward way this sits too. Screw this in. That's nice and tight. I gotta get a propane bottle on here. That connects into the back. And give it a try. See how long it takes to brew. It says first time you use it, you're supposed to just run straight water through it. So that's what I'm gonna do now. It does say put a filter on, but run straight water through it. So that's what I'm going to do. Take this out first. Let me get the filter in. I have some filters here. Put that in there. Try coffee second time around. Make sure. There we go. Okay, now it says to fill this with water. I got a little jug of water here. Put that in. Now you have to dump it in the reservoir back here. Filled it up. Okay, and it says when you put this back in here, there's a little lever back here that allows it to continue to drip. You have to make sure that this is pressed up against that. Seen people that were having troubles with it overflowing because that lever wasn't pressed. Okay, now I think we turn the gas on high, it said. And there's an electric igniter in back. Well, see, that shows how dangerous it could be. All we did was turn it on, in those few seconds you saw the flames blow at the bottom. It's going though. So we'll see how long it takes. One thing, while that's brewing, I'm going to just check the instructions here once. I'll bet I was supposed to have it on low and that high. Yeah, it says turn regulator valve to high. Press the igniter button repeatedly until the burner lights. Well, if that was caught on camera, you guys saw the flames shoot out down here, and I only had the tank on for a few seconds. I turned it on and hit the igniter, and the flames blew out the side. But, yep, here comes the water. It's brewing now. I can hear it going in. Now, I also thought I read you do have to keep an eye on, once it's done brewing, you want to shut it off. Otherwise you're going to burn out whatever the heater mechanism, because there's no water in it. So it said once it's done brewing, shut everything down. So you might want to have another pot to put the coffee in to keep it warm. Unless you drink yours right away. Yeah, she's brewing now. I thought it said about 10 to 12 minutes for a full pot. Let's see if you can see the steam in there. I don't know if it's showing up. Might even be able to get this lower. See if I can get the drip in it. Sorry, let me adjust that. There, now you might be able to see the dripping going on. It's a steady stream, but I'm sure once you get a little coffee in there, it's going to slow down. We're at about 4 minutes. I'll leave the camera rolling until it's done. I guess I could show you quick while that's brewing. I did get the carry bag here for it. It's a nylon carry bag. So it kind of keeps everything in order, and then it's got a pouch in back here. You can put a propane tank in. I believe that was only extra $15–20. Oh, and this, the coffee maker, I paid right around, I think $70, somewhere around $70. And I actually got it for going ice fishing. And we haven't been out yet, so I'm testing it out now. Before we get out in the freezing cold and I don't know what I'm doing. There's still quite a bit of water in there yet. And the camera's on a tripod, but I'm going to see if I can show you guys the flame. You can kind of see it underneath. I'm going to go sideways a little, otherwise I got to disconnect the camera. You can see the flame going under there. Okay, bear with me, I got to set the tripod back up. I saw some people were saying, I'm not sure, I'm guessing on the black paint on front here, but some people said the paint started coming off on their first use. I don't know if it got too hot. Oh, I can see it's turning black on the sides here. Getting some burning on the sides, but I kind of expected that after the reviews. Quite a bit in there. It said 10 to 12 minutes for the whole pot. I don't know. This is just water, and it's going to be at least 10 to 12 minutes. I guess I'll just edit the video as it gets closer. I know nobody wants to sit here and watch water drip. But I'll let you know how it works. Okay guys, it's been about another 5 minutes since the last video clip. And it's starting to dry out, or go through all the water. We're pretty much empty. You can kind of hear it. Like sounds like a straw when you get to the end of your drink. It's just about done. I'm gonna wait for it to finish dripping. So it was pretty much right on. It was about 12 to 14 minutes. Yeah. Like I said, this is just the water. It's the first time use, so it said to run water through it. We'll do that, and then we'll give the coffee a try. still up. She's slowing down. And the reservoir is empty. Should be done brewing within a minute, I'm guessing. I will show you. Sorry, I gotta pick up the camera. I don't know if you can see this on here. Oh yeah, you can. The burn mark. That's from the first use. So, like I said, I expected that. I saw that in the reviews. That was going to happen. You gotta expect it when you got a hot flame going there. Oops, sorry. And it looks like we are done. So yeah, well, it was less than 15 minutes altogether. We'll just call it 15 to be safe, but yeah, somewhere around 12 to 15 minutes. And she's done.